So today I'm going to show you how to complete your novel workbook on an iPad. In Google Classroom, you'll select ELA, then you'll select the assignment, which is your novel workbook. It'll either be here, and I will have the directions written out for you. You can also go into your classwork and it will say novel workbook. So you'll click on novel workbook, and as you'll see, the directions are here. So you'll go down to your work and you will click on the workbook, My Side of the Mountain. I'm using Emma as an example. So click on that. It will open up the slides onto your iPad. Takes a minute to load. Okay, so as you can see, the workbook is here. Okay, I have directions written out. This is how to complete it in pencil on a Chromebook, but you don't have a Chromebook, so we have to do things a little bit differently for an iPad. And here's the schedule of how you'll be completing this, okay? This is the first activity right here, but we can't write on anything, see? Now, up here, when you click on something, you've got the name, you have a zoom, and you have a pencil and a share button. You're going to click on the pencil. A pencil is going to open it up to be a PDF file. Now you can scroll through using the arrows. This will scroll through to each page. See? In order to write on the page, you need to click on one of these at the bottom here. This is a shape, erase. This is a pen, which you then can erase. This is a marker, which you can erase. This is a highlighter, which you can use if you want, or you can erase. And this is the choice you want to use. Okay, you want to create a text box. All you have to do is click it and click inside. Okay, so you're going to then make your text box inside of where you want to type, and then all you have to do is type on your keyboard. Okay, then hold your mouse and you can move it to make any changes. Hold the mouse, drag it down, make sure you have good punctuation. You can get rid of your keyboard and you have your nice text box, okay? To get rid of that text box, you just tap out. To make a new text box, you go down here, make a new text box, write your new answer, period. Read it over. Does it make sense? Yes. Get rid of your keyboard and tap out. Okay. And now you can go on to the next page. Again, if you tap in there, it's going to bring up a new text box. You're typing, punctuation, and tap out of it. If you're going down here, see how I just tapped it? It's now learning what I want it to do. Type, type, type. I'm done. Keyboard. Tap out. Oops. Now, if that happens, that's okay. You're just going to move. Tap out of it. Click here. Just takes a little finagling. You know what finagling means? Movement. Okay. We'll type something else in. Get rid of that, making it smaller, and then I can move it around, hopefully. Okay, so then I'm just going to tap up here, type something new. Now, if it goes underneath, you just have to drag it over and make it smaller. Okay, see how that works? And it pretty much saves it, so if I go back, my answers are still there. Okay. But I want to save this. So look up here in the corner. These are undo, this is redo, and there it says save. Click on save, and it's going to make a PDF file. I will then see the PDF file when I log in. You don't need to do anything else. It's already there. If you're going to come back and do some more work on it, don't be scared because that was the slides version. You're going to just go back to your list. It says you've edited this before. You can create a new file or go back and select one instead. Back to list. And see, it's right here. This edited workbook. This is the one you're going to work on every day, the edited one. So you're going to click on the edited one because that's the work that you've previously done. Click on your pencil again. And as you can see, my answers from the previous time are there. My answers are there. And now I'm just going to work on this page. Okay? Text box. And I'm just going to do one long answer. Okay? That's a really long word. Don't do that. You won't get good credit for that one. And then describe what Sam's home life was like. Click on the next one. Give me a description of what it was like. It was bad, that's why I left. Okay, so done. We're done. And then save. This is going to save it to that same file. So when I X out of this, it's still there and I can get it. If you have any questions, please email me, message me, comment, whatever you want to do, and I will get back to you, okay? Trying to make this as easy as possible for you. Okay. So long.